Hey traders, we're gonna have a look at the US and the Australian dollar. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, hey traders. So we're going to have a look at the US and the Australian dollar here. And let's have a look at basically what the market's telling us, what's going on, and what's happening here. So let's have a look at the longer term charts on the basically US dollar, and you can see that the longer term charts on the weekly basis have actually started getting a nice close below here. We do have a good support level here around the 24, sort of 22 level on the UUP anyway. And if we do break that weekly support level, then guys, then we have probably a pretty good strong run down to at least around the 23, maybe a bit higher. But there's lots and lots of space here, and a quick sort of 3 or 4% drop down looks like it may be happening real soon. And the reason why I say that is you can see it's actually breaking out of this bear flag. Now, if I bring up the line chart, this line chart for me is definitely key that I've been following along, and you guys have been following along with my peaks and troughs as well. You can see it made a higher trough here, ran up, made a lower peak, and now it's turned around and going down. Guys, you can see on this line chart, right, it failed to break up, and now it's actually breaking below this 25 level here, this 24 sort of 70 level. That's actually a very weak sign, and unless we actually break back above that level and we get back above 25, this looks like it may be the start of breaking out of this bull flag. You can see like a pretty strong bull flag breaking up and now breaking out of this channel. US dollar looks really weak here. So a bit more downside to come, I would say, in the US dollar. And looking at the Australian dollar, let's have a look here at the Australian dollar. Let's go to the weekly chart here. So the weekly chart, you can see the Australian dollar is still stuck in this overall extended upward move. Pretty sluggish movement, not really much going on there. Let's have a look at the monthly charts as well. So the monthly charts actually came down the bottom here, and we are continuing to rally up. We are basically at that sort of struggling at that sort of 75, 76 level, sort of struggling at that resistance, that level through there. So as you can see, that's basically what's happening here and what's going on there as well too. So you can see how that's definitely struggling at that area of resistance, and yes, you can see basically what's going on there. Nice support rally back up, and now the market looks like it's about to, looks like the Australian dollar looks like it's trying to break up. Now let me actually go to the line chart. Let me see if I can notice anything on the line chart, on the weekly line chart of these. No, pretty much just sort of I can't really notice anything. As you can tell, guys, I try to look at these other charts and see where everything's going, but I think this overall weekly chart here is definitely telling it all as well too. You got this nice move up through here. If I just take this, we're in this sort of channel here, as you can see, resistance bouncing here. If I take this overall channel off here for a minute, you can see that it's just sort of going up. If do we actually continue rallying? Do we actually break this resistance level finally and then rally back up to 80? That's the thing that I'll be looking for. If we start to really break above this resistance where it is right now, well, I can hit the 80, and then I reckon we're on our way back up to close to the 90 mark. Looking at the Australian dollar, and if the sellers start to take control and we start to break below the sort of the 70-40, 74 level, then I think the lows could be tested as well too. So there's a quick little update on the US and the Australian dollar. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.